Hey guys, welcome back to another Kroger video. These deals that I'm going to share with you, you can do from now until August 13th. We are not going to waste any more time, so let's jump right in with this first deal on the Scott paper towels. These are the 6 equal 9 rolls. These are priced at $7.99, but they're on sale for $5.99, and we have a weekly digital coupon for $4.99. We also have a $1 off one manufacturer coupon, which will make the final price just $3.99. Next up, we have this freebie, which is on the Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzle. These are priced at $3.99, but on sale for $2.99. We have a $1 off one digital. You're going to use that. You're going to pay $1.99 at the register, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back, making the final price free. Next deal we have is on the Eggland's Best Egg Rounds. This is the 4-pack. They're priced at $5.99. You're going to pay that at the register, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back, making the final price $3.99. Now, the IBOTTA rebate says that it's for Eggland's Best frozen products, any variety, any size. Now, I forgot to scan them in IBOTTA when I was in store, but it should work because these are also frozen. So the salsa, bacon, and cheese are priced at $5.29, on clearance for $3.97. So if you find these after the rebate, it will be $1.97. We have some over here for $1.59 on clearance. And then the sausage and cheese were on clearance for $1.32. Now, if you find these for these prices, $1.59, $1.32, after the IBOTTA rebate, these will be completely free plus a small money maker. Just make sure, if you find them, make sure to scan them in IBOTTA to make sure that they match the rebate. Next up, we have the Tyson chicken. The Tyson fresh chicken, the full line is buy one, get one free. That means the whole chicken, the wings, the thighs, the legs, they're all on a promotion for buy one, get one free. The next buy one, get one free deal is on the garlic and herb pork tenderloin, and these are the Smithfield pork tenderloins. Regular price $9.99, but they're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. Next up, we have the 6-pack pizza cupcake. These are priced at $9.99 each, but they're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up 2, pay $9.99 for both, or just $4.99 each. Next, we have the Oscar Mayer bacon. They're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. They're priced at $7.99 each. So if you pick up 2, you're going to pay $7.99 for both, or $3.99 each. Next up, we have the Screaming Sicilian Stromboli. These are my favorite, guys. They're priced at $4.69 each, on a promotion this week for buy one, get one free. So when you pick up 2, you'll pay $4.69 for both, or $2.35 each. Now you can also grab the Screaming Sicilian pizzas priced at $8.99 each, and they're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. So when you pick up 2, you're going to pay $8.99 for both, or $4.50 each. Next, I found the Santa Cruz organic juice on clearance. They're priced at $5.49, but as you can see, the apple is on clearance at $2.47, and the fruit punch is on clearance for $1.37. So check your stores. Next clearance find was the V8 Energy, and this is a 12-pack. This is not a good clearance. It's priced at $6.49, but on clearance for $6.17. So keep an eye out in store for these. It might be lower in your store. If you find it at this price, though, you can just keep an eye out, watch to see if it will get lower. I would not get it at $6.17. Next, we have the 4-pack of V8 Energy priced at $6.49, but on clearance for $4.54. Next up, you can grab a bag of these Hot Ones Honey Barbecue Chicken Bites. These are $10.99, on sale for $9.99, and we have a $4 off one 5-time digital, making it just $5.99. If you don't want the Honey Barbecue bites, you can get the chicken strips or the Buffalo Hot Sauce chicken bites. Next up, we have the 6-pack Snapple Teas. These are priced at $7.49 each, and they're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up 2, you're going to pay $7.49, or $3.75 each. You can get the regular or the zero sugar. This next one is on the Ice Mountain 24-pack water. They are priced at $5.99, but we have a $2 off one 5-time digital, making the final price just $3.99. Next deal is on these 6-pack Splash Refreshers priced at $3.29, and we have $1.50 off one 5-time digital, making the final price $1.79. Next up, you can grab one of the Sea Cuisine salmon. Some are priced at $11.49, some are $12.99, but they're all on sale for $7.99. And we have this $2 off one 5-time digital, making the final price just $5.99. Next up, we have a deal on the Sea Pack seafood. You can get the shrimp scampi, you can get the popcorn shrimp, or you can get the tempura shrimp. They're priced at $8.99 and they're on a promotion for buy one, get one free. So if you pick up 2 of them, you'll pay $8.99 for both, or $4.50 each. Next up, we have the Heritage Farm bone-in, skin-on chicken wings. They're priced at $3.49 per pound, or you can grab the Heritage Farm boneless, skinless chicken breast, priced at $2.49 per pound. But we have a weekly digital coupon in the zip code 75019, where you can get them for just $1.99 per pound. Next deal is on these Carefree pads. This is a 28 count, priced at $8.29. We have a $4 off one digital coupon, and then we have a $1 off one 5-time digital coupon. After both, you will pay just $3.29 for one. Next up, you're going to pick up 2 of the 6-pack Danimals. They're priced at $4.49 each. We have a weekly digital coupon for $1.49. Then, after you clip that, you're going to pay $2.98 for both. We have a $1 back on Kroger cashback for when you buy 2. You got to clip that before you make the purchase. Then you're going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA for a $1 back for buying 2, making the final price 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. So last week I grabbed the 3-pack Kroger bell peppers for $2.99. They're on sale for $2.99, regular price $4.29. But this week they're still on sale for $2.99. But we have a weekly digital coupon in the zip code 75019 for $1.99. So clip that, and you can grab up to 5 in a single transaction for $1.99 each. Next up, we have some more clearance finds. This one is the Del Monte fruit cocktail, and this is the 4-pack, priced at $9.29, but on clearance for $5.57. Then we have the Del Monte fruit cups. This one, the pineapple tidbits, are $2.99, but on clearance for $1.79. Next up, we have the Dole in the cherry flavored gel for $3.19, but on clearance for 96 cents. And then we have the Dole in the lime flavored gel for $3.19, but on clearance for 80 cents. Then we have the Del Monte diced pears in 100% juice, priced at $2.99, but on clearance for 75 cents. And remember, all these fruit cups are 4 packs. Next deal is on the Lucky Leaf Premium Cherry Fruit Filling and Topping, priced at $5.49. And we have a $2 off one digital, making the final price $3.49. Next deal is on the Chobani Creations. You're going to pick up 10 of them. They're priced at $1.79 each, but on sale for $1.20 each, or 10 for $12. We have a $2 off 10 digital coupon, so that will make the final price $10 for 10, or $1 each. Next deal you can get is the fresh strawberries. This is the 1-pound container, priced at $2.99, and we have a weekly digital coupon in the zip code 30519 for $1.77. So go ahead, change your zip code to 30519, click that coupon, and grab the 2-pound fresh strawberries for $1.77. For this next one, you're going to pick up one of the Cascadian Farm granola, priced at $4.79, but on sale for $3.99, and one of the Cascadian Farm organic breakfast cereal. Those are priced at $4.49, but on sale for $3.99. Your total for both will come to $7.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital manufacturer coupon and a $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon. So the $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon will come off, and then we have the $1 off 1 5-time will come off twice. So that's $3 that will come off. You will pay $4.98 at the register, but then over on IBOTTA, you're gonna get a $1 back for the cereal and a $1 back for the granola, making the final price just $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each. Next up, we have the Welch's Juice Cocktail. This is the 64-ounce bottle, priced at $3.69, on sale for $3.49. You're gonna pay $3.49 at the register, but then submit your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.25 back, making the final price just $2.24. Next, you can pick up one of the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Frozen Shrimp priced at $8.99. We have a $2 off one digital, so you will pay $6.99 at the register, but then 75 cents back on IBOTTA will make the final price $6.24. So the Arm & Hammer detergent, they're on a promotion for buy one get one free, and we have digital coupons for that. But we also have the scent boosters that are on the same promotion. They're priced at $6.49 each. You're gonna pick up two. That's gonna come to $12.98. But because of the promotion and the $1 off on digital coupon that we have, you're gonna pay $5.49 for both, or $2.75 each. Next up, we have the Martha White Muffin Mix priced at $1.25, but on sale for $1. So you're gonna pick up one. You're gonna pay $1, but then submit to IBOTTA for 25 cents back, making the final price 75 cents, and the limit on the IBOTTA rebate is 5. Next, you're going to pick up two of the Kinder's wing and dip sauce priced at $6.99 each. They're on a promotion for buy one get one free, and we just got a $1 off one digital coupon, so you will pay $5.99 for both, or $2.99 each. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Kroger deals.